Bam! Renaissance Cam here, back in effect. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, if y'all new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when these videos drop. As y'all can see, we are back in the kitchen, so you know what that means, right? I got another banging recipe for y'all to try. Now today is going to be more of like a breakfast hack, okay? It's not really a recipe per se, kind of is, but it's not. It's more of a hack, alright? Alright guys, take a look at this right here. See these right here? Childhood favorite, Hot Pockets, okay? Hot Pockets, ham and cheese, pepperoni and cheese. It doesn't matter the flavor, okay? That's not the point. This is the point right here, okay? Let me see if I can focus in on this right here. I want y'all to see all of these ingredients that's just sitting up on this box. Like, all of this is nothing but ingredients from here to here. And every one of these ingredients sounds like, you know, the syllables on these words is just outrageous. Mixed triglycerides, dipotassium phosphate. It doesn't make sense to have all that stuff on some Hot Pockets, you know what I'm saying? Or in some Hot Pockets. Today, we're gonna make Hot Pockets, okay? We're gonna make some breakfast Hot Pockets with minimal ingredients, okay? Everything's prepped out, everything's ready to rock and roll. We're gonna knock this out real fast. Let's get started. Alright guys, to kick this thing off, we're going to start out by flouring our cutting board. Alright, this is going to make a nice surface for our dough to sit on and be nice and movable. Okay, so now we're going to take our thick crust pizza dough and we're going to bust that bad boy open. Alright, now we're going to roll it out. We're going to try to get it in a nice rectangular shape, nice flat surface, so we have a good even canvas to work with. Alright, next we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut it into 4 even strips. Alright, we want them even because we want our Hot Pockets to come out the same size. Alright guys, so now it's time to start the filling process. Alright, so right here we're going to take some of those scrambled eggs and we're going to start filling. Alright, we're going to put just enough in there to fill us up, yet enough to seal it off as well. Alright, so right there I went in with some turkey bacon as well as some white cheddar cheese and some just regular sharp cheddar cheese. Alright, the rest of these I did sausage and bacon, but this is the only one I actually did bacon for, but the principles remain the same. Alright, so we're going to fold that dough over and we're going to begin sealing those corners with our hands. Alright, see how I'm sealing those corners? Just press and go, press and go. Alright guys, so right here I'm going to take a fork and we're just going to press those edges down. Okay, this fork is just going to serve as a tool, a much more accurate tool for pressing those edges down and putting us in a more uniform state. Alright, so right here I got 1 egg mixed with maybe a tablespoon of water, and we're just going to give these bad boys a nice egg wash. Alright, that egg is going to serve as like a glue, and it's going to seal these bad boys up and also give them some nice color when they come out the air fryer. Alright guys, so as far as the air fryer goes, what we're going to do, we're going to open that bad boy and spray it with some of that non-stick spray. Alright, that's going to keep these bad boys from sticking, and we're just going to load them up. Alright, one by one. I couldn't get all 4 of them in there, so we just did 3 and then I did an extra one. Alright, so we're going to go for 12. I went for 12 minutes at 370, but I ended up not using that time at all. Alright, it ended up being probably about 5 or 6 minutes total cook time for these bad boys. Alright, so if you might have to lower the temperature or whatever, then that's what you have to do. But I took these bad boys out at 4 minutes and I sprayed them a little bit more cooking oil on there and I put them back in there for another 1.5 minutes or so, and watch how these bad boys come out. Alright guys, moment of truth. These bad boys are done. That egg wash really gave them a nice beautiful color, and I'm really proud of how these came out, man. Alright, so what I did was I got some butter and I melted it and I put some parsley in it and a little bit of garlic powder. Alright, and I'm just basting that over the top of them, letting that liquid absorb into that bread. Alright, it's gonna be beautiful. That color is amazing. Everything about this speaks amazing. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a couple more money shots of these leveled up Hot Pockets. Alright, and we're gonna break this piñata open. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Alright guys, y'all know the drill. We put in hard work, food is done, time to taste it. Alright, let's get to it. Now, as you can see, this is what we're working with right here. Just way more elegant than those in-store Hot Pockets, you know what I'm saying? And you can, this recipe right here is totally customizable. You can add in some, you know, other proteins. I use turkey sausage and turkey bacon, but y'all can go pork sausage, pork bacon. whatever, all right? It's totally customizable. But let's just take a bite of that right there, shall we? Look at that right there. See that? Beautiful, right? You got all your ingredients in there, your cheese, your eggs. Here goes nothing. Oh my God. Oh my God. This right here, these are amazing, man. Listen, guys, if y'all want to elevate your Hot Pockets, this is the way to go, all right? Go get your store-bought pizza dough that's already rolled, you know what I'm saying? Prep out your ingredients, get your, your hams, your bacons, your turkey, whatever you want to put inside of these bad boys. It will work, trust me, all right? Be original. This recipe's totally customizable, so you don't have to follow this, step by step. But I'm just giving you the foundation, all right? Take this foundation, keep elevating, keep leveling up, you know what I'm saying? But this right here is amazing, all right? It's amazing. I made 4 of them, so I'm probably gonna take 2 of them to work after I finish eating that other one and maybe another, all right? It's nighttime over here, all right? I'm just meal prepping for in the morning, all right, for work. Now in the future, guys, this probably won't be my only Hot Pocket recipe. You know what I'm saying? There are plenty other, savory dishes that you can make with Hot Pockets. There's sweet versions of Hot Pockets that you can probably make that I'm thinking about making, you know what I'm saying? But these right here are A+, man. You gotta make them. The good thing about these is you can freeze them and thaw them out, throw them in the microwave, throw them in the air fryer, and reheat them again, and they'll taste almost as good as the first time you made them. You know what I'm saying? Throw these in your kids' school lunch or school breakfast. If you're in a hurry, throw them in the microwave, throw them in the air fryer real quick, and send them on their way, all right? You want to take these to lunch, you can do that as well, but they're so convenient, so easy to make, and you guys got to try them, all right? That air fryer, I'm so glad I got that. I love that air fryer, okay? If y'all didn't see my recent video, it was about that air fryer that I just broke down and bought because I got tired of people harassing me saying why you don't have an air fryer, all right? I'm in love with that thing over there. That's my most used appliance in the last week or so, all right? That's my most used appliance over there, okay? So with that being said, you guys, I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Show your brother some love, you know what I'm saying? Hitting that like button, all that does is, you know what I'm saying, it says that you support me, okay? That's the free way of you supporting me. It helps the channel keep growing, you know what I'm saying? Helps us keep growing, helps more people see this video, okay? So y'all hit that like button, y'all hit that subscribe button, become a member of this family. We are gonna keep these videos coming. It's just what we do, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, you guys, I love y'all. Y'all keep on learning, and I'm gonna see y'all next time, all right?